Today we're making a high protein Butterfinger McFlurry. Can't find this at McDonald's anymore, but we're gonna make one at home today. It's 6 to 8 grams of protein, and all you need is a Ninja Creamy Deluxe. Ingredients: all you need is some Fairlife milk, Butterfinger, and protein powder. Jocko milk is my favorite. Now we just add about 16 ounces of Fairlife 2% milk, and then we're going to throw in 2 scoops of protein powder, and then we're going to stir, and we're going to blend it so that there's no lumpies, and then we're going to pour into the Ninja Creamy container, and then we're going to put it in the freezer and freeze overnight for 24 hours. Now it's the next day and you want a McFlurry, just go to McDonald's and actually get a McFlurry. And once you get back home, we're going to take the container out the freezer and put it right in the Ninja Creamy Deluxe. And for the settings, you're going to select full and light ice cream. And while that's spinning, we're going to dump out the McFlurry we just got from McDonald's and dump it out into the sink or into the trash, because we only need the cup. And now once that stops spinning, we're going to add in our mixing, which is the Butterfinger bits. You can add as many Butterfinger bits as you like. And then we're going to put it on mixing option and full. And once that's done, we're going to take all that ice cream and pack it into that McDonald's McFlurry cup, because it tastes 10 times better when it's in the McDonald's McFlurry cup. Think of all the other options you can do. You could do Nestle Crunch, which I think McDonald's used to have back in the day. You can also do Twix, and any other kind of candy or confectionery you can think of. Throw it in here, mix it up, and it's like your homemade high protein McFlurry. Until next time, stay fit, my friends.